Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After her you have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon with Venom Fluid Art. After him you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And after Shannon you have Sis or Bubbles, but I think she's taking the week off again this week. We miss you, Sis. After Sis we have the Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so welcome to part 8 of my coaster series. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I've got my 6-inch hexagon coasters. I'm going to do a Dutch pour on these. I'm going to do 4 of them, I think. I have 4 colors. I have a purple, I have a pink, I have an orange, and a yellow. I'm going to use my white pillow paint, which is Glidden Premium and Satin white. We're just gonna blow this out with a straw. You can do Dutch pours on anything, really. So we're just gonna see how these come out. I am going to go ahead and put my pillow paint down. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go with this purple first, and it is dioxazine purple. I know, and hush, Lolly. It's dioxazine purple, and it is mixed with beaver dust. Violet red, yeah. So I think are just gonna go simple with this. Just kind of do that. Maybe a little more because you know I love me some purple. All right, and then this pink is beaver dust. It's pink by beaver dust, and it's also it's got a little bit of a neon pink. It's just a cheap tube paint. And I have mixed these. These were actually mixed up for my blooms. So it's got my Berry 8300 in it. It also has my Josanya mix for my pouring medium. But then I just added some American Floetrol to it to thin it down a little. So these are the colors we're going to rock with. Okay, now this one here is it's a neon orange, just a cheap tube paint, and it is oh, what is it? I'm not sure. Oh, it's an About Mica powder orange that I got from a friend. So this is the orange we're going to go with. Okay. All right, and then this one here is a neon yellow. And it has, what else does it have? It has beaver dust yellow in it. And I think that's really it. Okay, so we're going to go with that. I think these are going to be really pretty colors together. Okay, now, silly me, forgot to put it up on something. Now I am just going to take a straw and blow this out. What I've done is kind of a little straw. I wanted a little bigger straw, but what I did was I melted the bottom a little to make it a little more wide instead of just round. So I wish I had a bigger straw, but this is all I have right now. So all right, let's blow this out and see what we can do. You know what we're going to do? We're going to spin it just a itty bitty bit, okay? Let's see what we can do here. I just want it to spread out just a little. So I'm going to set it down here. Hope you guys can see it. And I'm just going to barely spin. I'm going to move that out the way. And just kind of barely spin it a little. Okay. Yeah. Let's put that there. Got something that's scraping on there. Alright. Okay. Maybe one more. I'll give it a little good one there so it'll spin out just a little more. Alright, yeah, I like that much better. I'm going to do this. I'm going to set it over to the side a little bit because I want some of this to come off. I don't like the way that worked. I'm just going to give it a little spin like that. I don't know if it's going to come off or not. It did a little bit. Okay, I'm happier with that. All right, guys, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, so here's this one. It's really pretty. It's just simple, but pretty. Alright, I'm going to come back. I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to change the order of the colors that I put them in. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and put my pillow paint down, which is Glidden Premium and Satin White. We're going to go in a different order this time. I'm going to do kind of the same thing, I think. Maybe a little different. I'm just trying to keep it simple, you know, so easy for beginners. Okay, we're going to go with the pink first. Okay, there's the pink. Then we're going to go with the orange. Got a bubble in there. It's okay. Pop that bubble. Okay, then we're going to go with the yellow. Okay, now we're going to go with the purple. And I'm going to have to lift this up again because I keep forgetting to do that. Okay, so we're going to go with the purple. Pop that bubble. Okay, so let me lift this back up. Alright, so there's that one. Let me... I'm going to put it down and I'm going to spin it a little. It'd be better if I had a little mini blower, but my mini blower took a crap on me, so I can't use it. So, and my other one is way too strong, so it wouldn't, no way it would do that. So, move this. We're going to give it a little spin. Let it spread out a little. Alright. Maybe just a little more. Alright, get that off there. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. I don't know if I want to do that either. There's the hair. Oh, I got it. Save, I think. Maybe if I would have done that. Let me just get that off there. Okay. Stupid thing. Let's just give it a few little flames or something. Try something different. Just get it a little something. Give it a little something. Might go up with it here too, maybe. Just for fun. Okay. I'll give it one more little spin here in a minute. Maybe we'll go like that with it. Just for fun. I don't know, just being silly. Okay. Alright, so let's give this one more little spin and I'll bring you up for a close-up on that one. You can just do all sorts of things with them. The possibilities are just endless. They really are. One more. Alright. I'm going to pick that up and I'll bring you down for a close-up. Alright guys, here's this one. I really like this one. I think it turned out super cool. Alright guys, we're going to do another one. We're going to go in another different order. Alright guys, I'm back. I remembered to actually put it up on something this time first. Hard to believe, I know. So I'm going in another different order. We're just going to do something simple again. Let's just throw the orange down first. Let's see. Maybe we'll go like that. Maybe we'll just kind of take it up like that. give it a little something different. Okay. All right. We're gonna go with the yellow next. And it's getting thinner all the time because the longer I'm out here, the hotter it gets. So, all right, now we're gonna go with the purple. Purple. And now we're gonna go with the pink on top. All right, all right. Pop those bubbles. Okay, get my straw and we will blow this one out. I'm just going to spin it a little first. I'm going to do that. Just spin it out just a little. Gave it a good one. All right. Okay, so let's I'll pick this up for a minute. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna take my skewer here. And I'm gonna just kind of just give it a little something here. Alright, maybe a little right there. Okay, we're going to spin this out. Just some squigglies is all I did. Some little squigglies. Okay, now we're going to spin this out a little. Okay. And that's all I'm going to do to it. Alright guys, here's this one. See how simple this is? I mean, anybody can do this. Anybody. Throw some paints down, take your straw, blow it out, spin it, do some squigglies, and come up with something cool. I'll be right back to do one more. Alright guys, I'm back. We are going to do a different order, the last order, because we had 4 coasters, 4 colors. Alright, we're just going to do simple again. Okay? I'll put a little more yellow down. Right here. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go purple. I'm going to go underneath of it instead of on top of it. Okay, do it like that. Okay, we're going to go like this. That fly is going to tick me off. Get away. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go orange. Everything's getting really super thin right now because it's getting super duper hot. Okay, so that's what we're going to roll with. So now what I'm going to do is I am just going to take my skewer and I am just going to wreck it. We're just going to kind of go through it and just wreck it. And I'm going to spin it out and see what it looks like. Wipe some of this off. Okay. I'm going to put it up here just a little bit because it's kind of going down there to the bottom. So I'm going to try to bring it up just a little without spinning it all the way off. Okay. One more. Whoa, see, like that. Save. Good thing for a tub, huh? Okay, just a little bit like that. Okay, a whole spin removed. Okay, a little slower. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there. Super simple, guys. I mean, you don't have to, and you don't have to have cells to make something really pretty. So, okay. Yeah, let me wipe this off. Hope you guys can see it. I think you can. Okay, wipe off your bottom, of course. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here's the last one. I think she's really pretty. I mean, you guys, any of you can do that. If you're just starting out, please try it. Just throw some colors down, blow it out with your straw, or if you have a mini blower, that works too. A little easier, I'm sure. But try it. All right, guys, up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. Then you have the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe my lovely sis cat. So, I love you guys. Have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.